Here we come to the elevators at the Hampton Inn and Suites on Airport West and Camp Crete Street in Atlanta, Georgia. I have to talk and talk over the music. These are Schindler 338. I have to talk. Oh, here's the elevator car right here. All right, good. We didn't have to wait to deal with that music to get copyrighted. I really cannot be talking too loud because it's late at night and everyone's asleep. All right, we're gonna send this up and we'll get the other elevator car, and here we have to talk and 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 talk. Like I said, I cannot be talking too loud, but I have no other choice than to sacrifice my way to drown that music out the best I can. And here's this elevator car right here. Thank God. What floor would you like, sir?
Floor. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Have a great day, sir.
Appreciate it.
All right, let's go on to 1. This thing vibrates. Gosh, this thing is shaky. All right, I'm gonna wait for the other elevator car to finish its travel, and then we'll take this thing up because I want to fully hear this thing. We'll get a detail cavity. It's similar like the other elevator, but except it doesn't have a, except it has a rear door which opens 1R. Anyways, this is the hotel we are staying at. I'm sorry I'm not going to do any hotel tour for this one either because I need to save a lot of memory space, and I am also really tired as we speak because I have to get up early in the morning for a big day tomorrow, which I cannot disclose where I am, or unless if the video is already uploaded by the time either this video uploads before I reveal or whatever it is. Either the video will be uploaded after I reveal the surprise, or before. If it's before, I cannot release it out. But if it's after, you can disregard what I said. But anyways, the full silent trip, it comes. I first thought it was low on oil for a sec, but it does that when going down. We will end it at 4 now this time, since that's where I'm staying at, because I gotta get back to my room right away. It's getting late right now, so we're gonna go ahead and end the video on the 4th floor. I know some of you guys are probably gonna be tired of seeing Schindler 338, and so am I, but this is quite a nice elevator. I will say this. I think the other elevator car runs better, and I believe this is a telescopic. Whoa! This looks like a telescopic hull-less hydraulic elevator because I saw the shaft light was on. But anyways, there they both go, and that's it.